feel very clean and supple. Like my skin was feeling that. My skin was like, oh, this is cute. This is different. I like it. Hey butterflies, it's your girl Ali at This Lay, and I have a very special, unique, and different experience for us today. I'm doing all type of different shit here on this website. I mean on this channel, and it's fun. I'm kind of happy to have all this time that I can like try new things. So speaking of trying new things, I have a Caytraill facial cleansing brush. I was gonna go with the PMD cleansing brush, but I was like, I don't know. Let me try this one out for a little while. If I love it, then I'll go and I'll get that one. Also, the PMD one is kind of getting old, so I feel like there's gonna be a new one coming soon, and I want to get that one. I know there's a new one coming soon because they're giving it away in beauty boxes, but that's another story. So this one says that it comes with a free flat iron and a lifetime warranty. So I'm gonna email them and find out how I get those things situated, because lifetime warranty, that's great. This is how it looks, and this is what's it says: silicone clean juvenation. It should say rejuvenation, but just says juvenation. I don't even know if that's a word. And it's like this. Cool. I'm about to plug this in because I'm using it right now, and these are instructions. If you know anything about me, I don't like to read instructions. I'll look at the pictures, like I can't read. It's not that. See, look, I can read, but it's like, it's pretty things should be simple. It's 2020. You should be able to push a button and go. Ooh, this feels so nice. Wow. So first thing I'm gonna do is wash this off because I don't know where it's been. I already washed off the box and the handle. Oh yeah, look, so this is what they're talking about, the free gift, 2-in-1 hair straightener curler. So you get this. How do I get it? Email these people or chat with us online. Alright, I'm gonna get it. Why not? So, and then I can come back here and review it. Even though I don't use curling irons, I'll use it on one of my mannequin heads. And I'll give it to one of my sisters. Activate your lifetime warranty. I'm definitely gonna do that, because if it lasts a lifetime, shit. It's just like me, I last a lifetime. You know what I'm saying? So it has like a little band around it. I don't know if you're supposed to keep that there, or maybe that was just for shipping. Yeah, I think that was just for shipping, because I'm not keeping that. Boop, don't worry, I'll sweep. And then it has some instructions on here. It says 1 long press, 1 second to turn on, 1 short press to change to the 4 mode. So boop boop boop, and I guess 1 long press to turn off. Don't say how to turn off, so we don't know. I'm gonna use Albolene to remove my makeup, and you can check that out too. And then I'm going to go back in and use this to clean my face. I don't know if it's already charged. Let's see. 1 long press to turn on. It is on. Ooh, and to go through the modes. Wow, this is like a little vibrator situation. Everything that rumbles, I say that. Y'all gonna think I'm a freak. Oh, this shit is very interesting. Can you see it? Now I actually want to get the PMD one, because I'm like, if this one is cute, that one's probably cuter. But my birthday's next month also, so gifts will be got. Alright, how do you turn it off? I guess you gotta hold it down. I don't need to charge it right away, which is great. So I can charge it later, because I'm gonna use it. Alright, so let's go take off this makeup, and y'all let me talk to people with my collar tucked in. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is remove my makeup. I'll be removing my makeup with the Albolene, and I like to make sure that I don't double dip back in there, because then you get makeup in it. That's nasty. So I'm just gonna go in and take my earrings off. You think? Albolene is like, it's so liquidy, but it gets the job. Makeup hates Albolene. It runs from Albolene. I'm putting it on my eyelids, and you can see that shit is coming out. So I guess this will be a how I remove makeup video as well. Maybe I'll put it up. Get that all over. Luckily for this video, I don't have a pound cake on today. And I just let that sit for a little while. Get all in them crevices, girl. Get the crevices. Get on the lid. Got mascara too, girl. And you want to be gentle with your eyes. But I like to go in with the eyes first because I want to see. But you gotta be gentle. So look at all that. This is just for one. And I don't like to use a cloth to wipe off my makeup because look at this. This is nasty. Then I gotta go wash that cloth. Not me. So I just use a nice napkin or a paper towel or sometimes a makeup wipe. They're really soft. But I'm gentle. I'm being gentle. And yeah, eye. And then eye. And for the most part, my makeup is off. Right? Cool. One swipe Albaline. I bet you there's still some makeup, so of course I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wash my face now with the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser for normal to oily skin. This is clear. You don't need a lot. See? Makeup. Still there. A little brown. I'm gonna go in. Another pump of the CeraVe. Okay. But since I have a new toy that I also washed, well, I'm gonna go ahead and put a pump on there. A little pump, maybe, yeah, 2 little pumps, which is not a lot. And cut it on, long press. Ooh. And I guess I don't have to do nothing because it should do all the work. It feels good. Just under the eyes, girl, gently. And the creases that I know of. And I know you have no blackheads. That feels good. Ooh, I see the dirt. See it's brown? I mean, I still would have went in with a... Ooh, I changed the mode. So there's no rumbling. There's just... The vibration is off on in this mode. Yeah, I kind of like it. That vibration is annoying. But I know it moves and it helps break up like what's going on under there. Okay. I'm not finished. Change the mode up again. This is the pulsating. I don't know why I would ever need that. But it feels good. It stimulates blood flow to your situation. It feels so weird on my eyeball. My eyeball never had anything vibrating like that next to it. It feels good. I feel like the vibrations pulsing through my skin. So now that I'm done cleaning my face, I don't know what I'm doing now. Just getting some massage benefits. You always want to do upward motions. I forgot when it comes to like cleaning your face. Cause you don't want to add years to your life. And let's check out all the modes. I feel like it's a little brown from my concealer. It's part of the game when you're a brown girl. Oh, this is fast. But it's not like you think. You see these little bubbles and you think it's gonna be like, you don't really feel them. The lips. Never had a lip massage. I'm ignorant. It feels good. My back hair to my nose. They still there. Yeah, they still there. But I'm doing microdermabrasion at home. Hopefully that will help me with that. So I don't like to wash my face and then just dry it off. And I leave it a little damp. By damp, I mean like damp. And let me wash off my brush, which I love. I do like this brush. And wash it off with the same foam cleanser. So it doesn't get makeup off my face. And look, it is getting the makeup out the brush. Kind of brown. You see that? Some of the brushes got brown. Let me take it off. Where the brown one? Only assume that that's from my makeup. And when I'm cleaning it, I'll probably need something harsher to clean it. Let me just use straight up soap. Because it's not like I'm putting it on my face. Putting it on the silicone. And Push Coming Club, I have makeup brush shampoo. I never use this. So I have a makeup brush shampoo, and if that's not coming out with that, I'm gonna use that. But I don't want to waste that. No, I shouldn't say waste, but like, have to have a separate cleaner. It's coming off. Looks like it needs a little brush. I have this old toothbrush. I'm gonna rinse it off. And now I'm gonna brush the bristles to clean it. It will clean it a lot better than my fingers were doing. And this has a lifetime warranty, so hopefully it doesn't get fucked up when you're brushing it. But if you notice, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little bit of brown in there. So I'm gonna wash that off. Give some hot water. All the brown that I was looking at came out when I use the toothbrush. So I don't need to use the makeup washer to clean this. But now this will be my brush for this. This will be my cleaning, my bristles brush. I'll keep that right there. Let me go and moisturize my face. And that's that. And I'm done. Okay, so that went well. I'm gonna moisturize my face with this Lavalier Moisture Allure Cream. Moisture Allure Cream is hydrating allure. I like that better than those bristle brushes, because I feel like those could be by breaking your skin up. And the silicone, I don't think that's breaking my skin up. Damn, yo, this hydrating cream is so hydrating. See how it held up against my brown ass foundation, and it's not stained, which I like that. I was afraid that it would be stained, and it's not. But I made sure I scrubbed the bristles because it did collect brown and a good amount, especially considering that I washed my face 2 or 3 times before. But yeah, that was good. I can definitely see this as part of my nightly routine. And I would like those bristle brushes for the same reason. Like, it will collect my makeup and then be looking nasty, and I don't like it. So yeah, get one. If you get the PMD one, let me know. But this one is pretty affordable. I got it on Amazon for like less than $30. That's more than reasonable for your face. Like, come on, like something you put on your face, you just spend money on something you're gonna put on your face. But I like about it is that it has a lifetime warranty, which the PMD does not have a lifetime warranty. It has like a 1 year or 6 month or something. I'm like, bitch, why? I don't know. I can only guess. But bottom line is, overall review is nice. I'm about to email them and get my lifetime guarantee and my free curling iron. And until next time, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you get one, please comment below and let me know what you felt about it. If you liked it, if you love it. It's not like the regular brushes. It's not. It doesn't feel the same. It feels like little tendrils. It's just nice, and the vibration was cool. I could have actually did that for like another 30 minutes. Subscribe to the channel so you know everything that's going on. I got some hair videos coming. This is originally a hair story podcast at NYC, so you probably like, why the fuck y'all doing all this makeup? Hair and makeup go together. Like, you can't just, well, maybe you could, but you just got your hair all nice and then you just outside like, I'm Alicia Keys, I don't wear makeup. I don't think so, honey. Not everybody. But that's why skincare is important too, because for the days when you don't want to wear no makeup and you just want to be true to yourself, you want your skin to be on point. Am I right? I'm right. I'm absolutely right. I'm absolutely right. I know. Bye, y'all.